okay?
Back with another.
Back again.
Friday. Redders.
And it is... What time is it? Nearly 5:20, so we ain't got much light left. You can see the sun going down in the background. But it's good to be out again. We're in the woods where we belong.
Got everything, haven't we?
Yeah,
70 litre bags, been carrying as well. Wow.
Yeah. So we've got something special tonight to cook up. Not going to tell you what it is, but we'll just let you find out later. It's the first time we're actually doing this, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Never done this sort of thing. But yeah.
Lovely drop.
Look at this. This is actual beautiful scenery. There's plenty of yew trees about. There is a lot of beach. So we're just going to have to watch out, see if there's any widowmakers and see if they want to drop any limbs on head. But we did come up here the other day, it looked alright, so...
Checked it out.
Yeah. There's a big tree.
Big tree fell
just
down.
Over here. Let's go, I'll probably show you that later.
Yeah, because I had something there what we found the other day when we come round. Pretty interesting.
So yeah, we're just gonna get to it now. We're gonna set up, and Dan, who's been on Camps with us before, is gonna join us later as well.
Yeah. So we'll get set up and then we'll wait for Dan to tell us he's ready and then we'll go and pick him up. So yeah.
Fresh. Look at this, look. Living good in the woods.
Look at this, look. Jackerson Jonas. Oi. What big boy today and all. Found this 5 years ago. Easy. I don't really use it because obviously it's massive, it don't fall away like what others. But while we're carrying loads of crap, I thought might as well bring it with me.
Look like Grim Reaper walking through woods. Catch you death. Right. Good sun going down in the background, look. I'm hammocking it today. It looks like Scary's doing a plough point over there. But yeah, I've got my old trusty free soldier hammock and set this up. I think I've gone a bit too far over it top, but we shall see. Great guns. Moment of truth. I'm just a bit scared about that side. Because the tree is like massive. So that's triple knot it. Nope, fancy. But she'll do. She'll do. Got my fancy little upgrade. Got these from DD. Instead of getting sticks and putting them through these loops, I'll just get them, put these in, like so. Let me show you. If I can show you. Just give me a minute. Put you down there a minute. Go. I'll show you this. So instead of putting sticks in, I've just sewed. I know it's shit sewing, but you know, it works. I've sewed little pockets so it fits these sticks straight in. I had to cut these down as well, and then obviously just get some bungee cord, straight on that loop. It pulls it all nice and square. Obviously another knee needs to go on there, but cheap upgrade for a very cheap hammock that's very tough material. Beautiful. Can't grumble. And there she is. Like I said, like elastic, bungee sort of string. Got it from DD. It's all up. That's it. That's your lot. Zip that up. Like a boat. It does look small, I know, but obviously there's a lot of give in it. I put a self-inflating mat in there as well, so it flattens out all inside of it. But yeah, I like it. Proper hammock in my eyes. Might not look much to some, but you just listen to birds. It's peaceful. That's what you want. Beautiful. So here we are, bed for night. Beers of choice, good old trusty ciders, one from Aldi, an old malt, berries and cherries, pineapple and raspberry, and this isn't actually coffee, it's toffee vodka. Ooh, fresh, about up to there. But yeah, boombox, hot plate. I'm rocking with Rabascent 1100, Activera self-inflating mat, and a Gillert pillar. Gripped. That looks cosy, that. That's a proper job. Scaly's over there. I'm sure I showed you his setup. But now, we're going to have to try and find a place where to have a fire and cook up some good grub.
I've gone for the tarp today. Tarp and the hammock. Never done it before, but I seen it on someone's channel. I can't remember whose it was. I thought it was a decent idea, but it's been a toddle because it's the first time I've ever done it. And I don't know why I had a feeling that hammock, the corner of the hammock, had like peg points so you can peg it out. It hasn't, so next time I'll probably leave the whoopee strings in and pin them down so it opens it out a bit more. But don't argue you can see it because it is dark. Yeah. It is a bit dark, like. It is a bit dark. So this tripod's playing up. Yeah, that's it. Looks rather lush from here. That's the lights on. So axe knife and the knife and the beers. It's got a crap ground sheet. Got DD hammock, DD tarp. Got the Rabascent extra large Trekology inflatable mat UL80 I think it's called, and then Trekology pillar. But yeah, looking good. We got little yew trees around it. I'll show you better in the morning. It's a bit dark. Now we're going to get some wood prepped. Get this fire up and go and get food, don't go. Let's do this.
Look at that, look. Look at them.
A lot better.
Fresh ting. Just got a bit of fibre stuff. Whatever it is. Lob a spark on that, should be alright.
Very bad.
Hey? She's an upper. She's an upper.
Long chips.
Big chips.
Get it on. It was frozen, but
That fire's really warm.
there you go.
Ooh! Flame grilled.
Some more. Put this down. Can you see that? Oh, that smells lovely.
Smells nice, doesn't it?
Are these too big for this? Oh, what? It's too hot. I'll do this. Mate, you could use that as an hammock. He's just prepping the special stuff up. You ready?
Ready.
Oh shit, hot.
Ooh. Steady. Steady with the merchandise. Ooh. Look at them. Look at them. You ready for it?
Come to lift one up and do it there.
What?
Lift one of them up.
Yeah, get this on your phone. Trust me. You're gonna love it. And that's what we came here to see. Oh, bro.
I'll just make sure that's picking it up.
So what we've got loads of mixed leaves like rocket, spinach, all your good stuff, crispy lettuce, rump steak, it's a kilo, tiger bread, wedges, and obviously to top it off, mature cheddar cheese sauce. Wow. Can we stop looking at it now?
Oh yeah. Go on. I don't know how this is going to work.
Yeah, I meant short. These chips are lovely.
Oh. That is a monster steak sandwich.
Oh.
Oh. Mm. Alright. We're going to take the camera off and just enjoy this, because
It's getting really messy. You know what I'm saying? Isn't it, Ben? You turn it off. Not me.
How big it is? I've gone through loads and all that.
Monster.
That cheese is weird. We've had a massive steak sandwich, haven't we?
Monster steak sandwich.
Massive. I mean, that were a killer, wasn't it?
Feel bad. I feel like 10
We'd-
ton task.
We didn't even eat it all, did we? I bet we left the size of it.
Warm up.
About a
Steak
99p cheeseburger left.
Let's take that up, but loads of bread left.
Massive. Oh, that were a killer. Nice though, wasn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Right night, just a killer. Wow.
Up flavouring were nice as well.
If I was going to say too much garlic, I'd probably put too much garlic in that butter. I think.
Wow, stuff really nice.
Yeah, it was nice, but like, if I was going to have it again, I'd probably have a little less garlic. And ting. But now we're just sinking some. What you got? I got just coals.
Well, I've got Old Malt, berries and cherries.
Berries and cherries.
Just outside us. Panda Pops.
I'm just watching Nature's TV.
Beautiful. Look at them.
And listen to a few tunes.
Raving away.
Raving away, he says. Sliding away with his chair.
First time you used it, innit, Woods?
Yeah. First time you used it all.
Yeah,
I didn't use it at coast, did I?
No.
My hands are too cold for it all. I'll get a good night's sleep tonight. Let me tell you. That tent just going.
Good setup though, that.
Needs altering a bit.
I don't think you can beat Woods though. Can you?
No. Like I've always said though, like if you're from coast and you're used to camp night coast and go out coast and that, you prefer that one. It's where I think it's where you kind of grown up.
Yeah.
most people prefer. We've always done it here, haven't we? Not here, but like in the woods. So it's always been just our go-to, hasn't it?
Woodland camp all the way.
Yeah.
It's nice to get up on hills every now and again though.
Yeah,
Sunrises and, well, if you catch them properly. We ain't had any luck with cameras like, but...
We don't even know this is recording. Might be talking to us then. What I meant to say. Andy... Actually, I'm not going to say his second name. I'm going to bleep it out, or I'm just going to say Andy messaged me saying he wants to come. Let's come camping. Says he loves the fire, he loves beer, he loves food, so
that's it then.
He'll be alright. So
we'll love gay sex.
Well, he's gonna have to, isn't he? You're gonna get it and he's gonna like it. So yeah, we're gonna have to bring him on a camp. Yeah. Alright, let's get people out, innit?
Get some stuff. Off you come.
I can probably provide bits and pieces.
Yeah, we've got loads of stuff.
I said to him, I said, wait till weather warms up because it is still a bit chilly at the minute, and then we'll bring him through. Bring him through.
You'll have to suggest to us where you want to camp.
Yeah.
On top of a hill, in the woods, on the coast, wherever you want.
Somewhere warm. And Nay's doing a camper van up.
Oh yeah. I'm doing a micro camper with my little van, so hopefully, well, I'm hoping it'll be done near around summertime, maybe middle of summer, but we'll see.
So I'll get my big tent out with Mrs. You can bring Kieran, Mrs. of it, and then the campsite I go to, you can get canoes and kayaks and that.
Yeah.
So might do a little bit of footage of that.
Yeah, do some fishing on kayak.
Yeah.
Why
Ripping
not?
some beasts in.
That's it. Jumping in.
But this year, flyer, innit?
Yeah, that's flew on already.
I'm ready for this year.
My birthday, end of this month.
Yeah, I did bring his present, but he went, wait till my birthday. Because I'm going.
Birthday presents out on when it's not your birthday, can you? Like, they just don't make sense. You're not allowed to. Not allowed to, Ben.
I'm going on holiday soon, so I need to give it you before I go.
No, you don't need to.
So yeah, this is my last camp before I whiz off.
And then I'll be going to solo without him.
Yeah, I bet.
Plenty of gay sex.
Not in your tent. Sleeping bag up.
No.
Pulling chicken.
I'm going to fold my knob round and shove up my arse.
Big knob.
Oh, fucking hell. You need to grow up.
You need to go fuck yourself. If I find that on YouTube.
You're the one that's gonna go fuck yourself.
You know that? No, that just reminds me of what's called Martin, what was he?
Oh yeah.
All the time, every time I see that now, it just reminds me of him.
Go fuck yourself.
If I find that on YouTube,
right,
you're the one who's gonna go fuck yourself.
Come on out. I bet you don't even know what we're talking about.
No.
Oh god. I don't even think you're about to put a link in, will you? If we can, we'll put a link in the description to that video. Because, I don't know, me and Scoey just laugh at it all the time because it's funny.
What was that one?
just woke up at 7 o'clock. That lovely. That lovely. That mega. I had a really good sleep. And then the birds are singing. You can hear a woodpecker over in the distance. I think if I'd have done this in the summer, it wouldn't have been so good because it would have been, you'd just been red hot. But it's dead, it's chilly. My hands are freezing. But it's nice. Great nice fresh morning. Sun's going up slowly behind me. You can just see it. You can see it. There we go, look. There. It's lovely. And it's quite packed with squirrels and pigeons and everything, so you can just sit watching them. Definitely a new one, this for me. I'll be doing a lot more. It's mega.
Hello. Good morning, campers. I'll tell you what. Oh, it's nice to be in a hammock again. I slept like an absolute baby last night. Proper. There is a bit of condensation on top of here from where I've been breathing, but because it is quite fresh outside, it is very foggy. But I'll tell you what, that's the best night's sleep I've had in ages. Even at home. Wow. And there's no better place to wake up for this. Just look. Look at the view. Look at the view, look. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Peaceful.
That's what you find every day, is it? Quite strong, that is. Mega.
Hello. Oh no.
Leaving no trace.
Got to pick up that rubbish. Every time.
Every time. I think this is a first for channel for ages. I think I can't remember last time we had breakfast. Normally just have a little granola, don't we?
Okay.
Normally just have a little granola.
Yeah.
Not really do breakfast as much, do we?
So, for a change, and I'll tell you what, I couldn't have picked a better morning to do it.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Look at it.
Look at him. Look at him. Can you hear it? Woodpecker. You hear it?
I think I've got some videos of it, yeah. I'd like to see it.
Sounds like Predator.
Look at the size of this beech tree. Just fell down lovely for us. Just for us.
Smell like that coffee now, don't it? Yeah. Not the best. getting blasted by the snow. He's a good one, isn't he? He's a good one. Bless him.
I think I know how to make.
Yeah, made steak sandwich last night, bro.
You were the
chips.
You were the best part in that.
It was a joint team effort. Spoon there, bro. It's hot though.
Yeah.
Literally melting through the fucking wood straight away. It scares me. What's that?
Huh?
It's like,
Oh, no.
yeah.
The only thing I can suggest is just pull it off a minute. Huh?
I can't better picture it out.
Yeah.
Oh, fire.
Spicy. It looks and all. Might as well make use of cheese, haven't we?
That's it. Look at them. I think I've got a Cumberland sausage from Barron's Butchers, local butchers, and bacon is as well. Still got some more on go. We've got spicy sausage, normal homemade sausage, I don't know what that is, and then Cumberland. Good fun. And cheese. Oh. I miss this actually. Look at that lot. Spicy sausage, bacon and cheese. Hello. Right, so we've had a lovely luxurious breakfast and a nice brew.
Chilled out.
But yeah, we've just chilled out, we've been looking at birds and stuff.
We have tried
everything.
catching some birds close up, but they're just not having it. No blue tits having it.
Not one bit. So now, it's a dreaded time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Packing away.
Been nicer. Been a
That's
good
been beautiful. I think we're gonna end up taking another trip back here at some point because it is nice around here. Beautiful. But yeah, just gonna clear this away now. That's it. That's how we leave no trace of fire.
Nowhere to be seen.
Fresh.
All your sticks you've used. Get them out of the way. That's it. Just to pack down now. I know. I don't know about me, but this time I'm taking mine down quick and easy. That's me done. Fast, very fast. So it's both done.
Fresh.
Rubbish.
Big bag of rubbish. Ain't no messing about. Leave no trace.
No fire. No camping area. Just a good time.
Fresh time. Hello.
Bleeding up.
So yeah, absolutely mint camp that one, wasn't
Mega.
it? Beautiful.
Big sandwich.
Beautiful scenery, mint food, mint vibes.
Nice weather.
It's beautiful weather. Can't believe it's coming close up to summer, so we've got some big plans. So yeah.
Dan missed another as well, again.
Gripped.
Grip.
Yeah, so want to say thanks for clicking on the video, and to all our new subscribers, because we've seen it go up quite a bit again.
Cheers anyone for nice comments. Like
Yeah.
Andy. Cheers for that, bro. So they love watching videos. Kind
Absolutely.
to everyone else, innit?
Yeah, fantastic. And thanks to everyone who's bought the merch. We're nearly there to get a drone. Almost there. So
Hopefully, next 1 or 2,
yeah,
we'll have a drone.
yeah, we'll have a drone. So thank you for all your support. And leave comments like you're doing as well. It's beautiful. Makes us feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Makes me feel fabulous.
Fan-daddly-doodly. Oh yeah, we'll love you and leave you there. I've got to clean this when I get home. Beautiful. So, goodbye.
Take care. Brush your hair.
Take this way.